Today we're going to build a bamboo puppy pen because the puppies are kind of busting out at the seams.
A few moments later.
Little puppy playpen in their little puppy palace. I mean, these guys are too freaking cute. Sombra's done a great job as a mama. And look at this little girl. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna take the Bambike with a cargo trailer and pick up the bamboo slats, which we just treated.
Bamboo torpedo.
And you know, make sure when we load them up, we are gonna tie them down properly. These guys just did the saltwater soak method for a couple days, and since we got to make moves, we're just gonna go ahead and build with them already. Though it usually would be better if you treated the bamboo for a little longer. So first things first, we're gonna cut down the bamboo to size and prepare the slats for a weaving matrix of sorts to create a simple fence. The length of the slats here are about 2.4 meters or 8 feet, and then the height is just 1/3 of the slat length. Just finished building the puppy palace, at least for now. It's getting good use. You can see it's all made from bamboo. Yeah, so now we can let the dogs out from their little sleeping pen, and they've got a safe place to hang out, do their business. We're gonna work on potty training, but now it's data time. So for the most part, we're done. We've put up the puppy pen. We took those bamboo slats, which we treated, and we're able to build this, you know, little puppy playpen in their little puppy palace. I mean, these guys are too freaking cute. Sombra's done a great job as a mama. And look at this little girl. Oh my goodness. So the puppies have eaten, they're tired, they're all finding themselves in this little space, which they now can call home. And we're gonna make some improvements as time goes on. But overall, I'm pretty stoked. And now we can leave them and train them, and yeah. It's good. We didn't use any nails or anything. It's just all saltwater treatments and blood, sweat, no tears. Not too much blood either. A lot of sweat. But yeah, the proof is in the puppies.
If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look what just happened. Hi, Poopy. What happened to you? Did you get your head stuck in the bamboo?
More puppy content on the way soon. Stay tuned.
Boop.